we believe age shouldn't hold you back. A number assigned to you by society has no bearing on your pursuits, and the past tense should stay exactly where it is, the past. With LifeWave founder David Schmidt's latest innovative health technology, now available with X49, there's no time like the present. Even as age does its best to rob you of your ability to get out and move, now is your chance to redefine your prime. Continuing the legacy LifeWave established with wearable patch technology, X49 harnesses your body's own human energy to boost performance, strength, and stamina, support a healthy cardiovascular system, reduce muscle soreness and promote recovery from exercise, and support fat loss when used in tandem with a healthy diet and exercise program. How does a patch you put on your body do all of that? It all starts with your body's own potential. When applied, the patch stimulates the skin, reflecting infrared and visible light back into the tissue, generating cellular activity and a host of specific health and wellness benefits. In the case of X49, the patch elevates the body's natural levels of AHKCU, a copper peptide that activates vascular endothelial cells to support healthy blood flow. Further research touts its ability to metabolize the amino acid alanine, which is a source of energy for muscles and the central nervous system. Our exclusive non-transdermal patch technology elevates the body's natural levels of this important copper peptide for a wide-ranging effect. Simply put, X49 helps your body do what it was designed to do, only better. In a clinical study, the results on improved performance were clear. After just 2 months, participants saw a significant improvement in several physical performance-based categories. Participants were able to increase their ability to do sit-ups, push-ups, squats, bicep curls, and strengthen their grip. Even people in their 70s were able to as much as double their performance. However, these significant improvements translate into much more than results in the gym. Life is for living, and nothing can ever replace the very real experience of getting out and moving your body. When life tries to make you a spectator, get back in the game with X49.